We are at Playa Tongco in El Salvador, the surf city of El Salvador, San Salvador. Oh, diba? We are here to the surf city of El Salvador. Nice to be here. This is the entrance and we're going inside. Yeah. You can find a hotel here to stay with the right price and according to your budget, okay? But yeah, let's explore Playa Tongco, the surf city, capital of El Salvador, San Salvador. Before, I'm just watching this one. Now I'm here, basically. So yeah, me and daddy here, guys. Let's see. It's early in the morning. I think it's like 6:30. People are sleeping. Only me and her on the road. Him pala yun. So ayan guys, nagkataong nakapasyal din sa lugar, sa bansa ng El Salvador. Playa Tongco, ito po ay kanilang surf city capital. Ayan, marami silang mga hotel dito. Marami silang tutuluyan na ayon sa inyong budget. At kami ay maagang nagpunta rito sa aming journey na ito. Okay guys, hinalis ko na ang music dahil mahirap na. Mag voice over na lang tayo. So marami silang souvenir store din dyan. Kaso guys, pasensya na, it's too early in the morning. So sarado pa yung mga store nila. So yan lang. Naghahanap kami ng parking dyan. At pupunta kami doon sa kanilang dagat. Ang dagat nila dito ay black sand. Pero apakaganda. This is the surf city of El Salvador, San Salvador. Okay, shout out to the President Nayib Bukele. Yes, very peaceful. Ang El Salvador this time, it's not scary, it's so peaceful. Every people can walk around. And so we are. So guys, yan ang paloob ng El Salvador. It's kind of gloomy because it's early in the morning and there's a little bit of rain. So ayan na nga guys, heading to the surf city of El Salvador. Ayan, dami nilang mga store dyan but it's not open, it's closed because we are here early in the morning.